were on a foot patrol, and I was leading the element in. Improvised explosive device went off just a couple feet from me. A very good friend of mine took both his legs. Another friend of mine that was next to me, he just got peppered and knocked over. They were both still alive due to the protection that they were wearing. If it wasn't for that, they would not be here right now. Being in the military, protection is vital for us. Knowing the confidence and protection we have, whether it's helmet, plate carrier, protection of the elbows, the knees, everything like that, does help enhance our motivation, our confidence to go in. So as technology advances, it is saving more and more lives. All it does is build confidence into you and make you do your job a lot better. The thing I like about D3O is they kind of form to you, and it is light enough and flexible enough to allow you to move. People are starting to look for the latest and greatest because they know that it makes their job easier, better to perform. And right away, you kind of feel them, you look at them, and you're like, okay, this is something different. It feels better and makes us faster, makes us more competent, more capable. If it's not comfortable, it's not light, then the guys aren't going to wear it, and there's going to be more casualties.